Your paycheck can arrive and mentally disappear before you even touch it. Not after spending, before spending. Before the money even settles in your account, your brain already assigned it to subscriptions, food delivery, monthly bills, future purchases, small rewards, deserved spending, things you planned days ago. And that changes everything, because most people think financial problems start when money leaves their account. But modern financial systems figured out something more powerful. If they can make money feel emotionally spent before it's physically spent, they barely need to convince you to buy anything anymore. And once you notice this system, you start realizing something uncomfortable. A lot of modern finance is designed to remove the feeling of spending, not spending itself, the feeling of it. Think about what happens before payday. People start planning mentally. I'll order food this weekend. I can finally buy that thing. I'll pay this bill. I'll probably upgrade this. I need new shoes. I deserve something after this week. The money is already emotionally allocated. Psychologists call this mental accounting, but modern financial systems push it further than ever before. Your future income starts feeling emotionally available before it actually exists. That's dangerous, because once your brain treats future money like current money, your decisions change immediately. You relax more. You justify more. You become less resistant to spending. And companies understand this perfectly. That's why modern apps constantly encourage split payments, financing, buy now, pay later, free trials, delayed billing, automatic renewals. They don't need you financially rich. They just need you psychologically comfortable for a few seconds. That's enough. And the scariest part? This doesn't feel reckless. It feels normal. That's why so many people reach payday already financially weakened. Not because they're irresponsible, because mentally, the paycheck already left days ago. Years ago, spending felt physical. You handed over cash. You watched money disappear. You physically felt loss. Now, money moves silently. Tap, swipe, auto-renew, one-click purchase, Face ID confirmation, done. Modern financial systems removed friction everywhere. And friction matters more than people realize, because friction creates awareness. Without friction, spending becomes automatic, decisions become emotional, purchases stop feeling real. That's why subscriptions became so powerful. A subscription doesn't feel like spending, it feels like permission. And over time, dozens of tiny permissions start quietly consuming income. Streaming, storage, apps, memberships, delivery services, premium upgrades. Individually, small. Collectively, permanent extraction. And notice something else. Most modern apps are designed to keep money emotionally invisible. You don't see weekly totals, annual damage, cumulative drain. You only see $7.99, $12.99, free for 30 days. Tiny numbers, tiny decisions, tiny pain. Because modern spending systems understand something terrifyingly well. Humans don't fear small losses. They fear obvious losses. So the system stopped creating obvious losses. Now it creates constant invisible ones. Look carefully at modern money. Most people barely touch physical cash anymore. And that changed human behavior more than most people realize. Cash creates visibility. Digital money creates abstraction. When money becomes numbers on a screen, automatic transactions, delayed billing cycles, invisible deductions, it stops feeling emotionally connected to effort. That separation is incredibly profitable, because once spending becomes psychologically painless, consumption increases naturally. Think about how many systems are built around delaying consequences. Credit cards, monthly installments, pay later systems, free trials, financing plans, automatic minimum payments. The goal is almost always the same. Separate the pleasure from the pain. Get the reward immediately. Experience the cost later. And when people live in that cycle long enough, they stop feeling financially stable even when income increases. Because the problem isn't only low income anymore. It's constant psychological leakage. Modern finance normalized permanent low-level spending. And low-level spending is hard to fight because it rarely feels dangerous in the moment. Nobody panics over one delivery fee, one subscription, one upgrade, one installment, one convenience purchase. But stacked together, they quietly create a financial environment where people feel permanently behind, not collapsing, just constantly recovering. That's the modern trap. This is why so many people feel financially exhausted now, even people earning more than before, because modern financial stress often isn't explosive. It's continuous. Your brain never fully relaxes because your income already has too many invisible obligations attached to it. Every paycheck arrives pre-fragmented, and eventually people stop asking, "How much money do I make?" They start asking, "How much money is actually mine?" That's a completely different psychological state. And over time, this creates something dangerous: fake financial safety, because digital systems can make you feel stable temporarily. Money arrives, payments go through, subscriptions continue, cards still work, nothing crashes. So your brain assumes everything is okay, even while pressure slowly builds underneath. That's why some people only realize the damage during emergencies, layoffs, missed payments, unexpected expenses. The system looked stable, but there was never much margin underneath it. And that's the terrifying part about invisible financial systems. They usually don't fail loudly at first. They fail quietly. The solution isn't becoming obsessed with budgeting, and it's not pretending convenience is evil. The real solution is rebuilding friction, because friction creates awareness. Simple things change behavior dramatically. Manually reviewing subscriptions, delaying purchases 24 hours, using visible spending categories, separating savings immediately, removing stored payment methods, tracking recurring charges, forcing yourself to see cumulative totals. Not because these tricks magically create wealth, because they reconnect spending to consciousness. That's the real battle now. Modern systems are optimized for automatic behavior. Financial control requires intentional behavior. And those are not the same thing anymore. And if you think this system only affects spending, it gets worse when you realize your income structure may already be working against you too, because your paycheck itself may be designed to keep you financially dependent without realizing it. Watch Your Salary is engineered to keep you broke next. That video connects the other half of the system.